Hi, Lisa here again to show you, give you a little tutorial on how to edit an existing post, an event, member in on your Science on Stage website. So you go to the scienceonstage.ca website /WP admin, enter. So here we go. We're going to edit a post right now. So here I'm at all posts. So this is a list of all your posts that you have currently in your website, and they're all published, as you can see over here. Okay. These are the tags. You know what tags are? They're basically just little words that help you kind of file your data. Here are the categories. This one here we use, I've been using other for everything but videos. When there's a video, I add videos because that will allow me to show the video as a little thumbnail on the front page. So let's say here we go, we can do a little quick edit on this one here. Let's say the SoSC project, the Integrated Science Club. This is the title of the page. This is the slug, which will appear up here. This is the date. You can change this date. Let's say we'll change it to, we'll leave it at March, and we'll change it to, let's say, we'll leave it at the 13th. We'll change it to 9. Okay. And then the author, let's say I had done it. Well, I would have put me. I can change me. After it's done, you can change these things. Here are the categories. So the Integrated Science Club. We've marked other. Very good. So we can allow comments to this post and allow pings. That means if it's shared on another site, if this post is shared on another site, we will in this dashboard, we will be advised that someone has shared it and where it's placed, where it's being placed on another site. Right here, make this post sticky. If our website front page was made to accept this, if by clicking here, this post would be at the top of your front page. It would be sticky. It would stick to your front page. So there we go. So I changed the time here. So let's not forget, always update. Very important in WordPress, always update. So there we go. And we can take a view of this post here. Anytime now. This is how it looks on the page. A nice image. And then we have the nice video here. Okay. Okay, actually we are going to edit something on this. So here we go. We'll edit post. This will allow us to edit the post that this post here. In your Science on Stage, we have what is called Visual Composer. So we'll go right to that because it's quite heavy, and I think it has something to do with why the site is so slow in loading. So we'll go into the back end, but it is quite user-friendly. Okay, so here we go. Here is a text block. There's a little pencil here. We're going to edit this text. Okay, so there's the video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to embed it. I'm going to take that code. I'm going to go to it here. Here. Okay. Here we're going to learn how to embed a video too. We're going to stop it here. We're going to bring it to the front. Bring it right to the beginning. And we're going to partager. Here we're going to intégrer. Okay, and we're going to take this here code, that's an HTML code, and we're going to go to our site and we're going to replace that with it. What I'm telling WordPress here is make a special frame for this, okay, so that it's prettier. Let's take a look at everything else here. Oh, sorry. Okay, there's the text. We can make the text bigger if we want. And to do that, to make the text bigger, it's already there. We're going to go, here you see font size. We're going to go 16, 14. Okay, that's good. P class. So here's the text. I like 12. Okay, so we'll save that. There we go. So here, this one has a video, so we're gonna do that too. The format, video, and over here we're gonna add a video. Okay, here we can add some tags here. This is good for like Google and stuff. We're gonna say Canadian. Let's add Canadian light source, comma. That'll separate it. Let's try synchrotron, comma. Okay, add. There we go. Here we have the custom teaser. We're going to enable it. That means we're going to use it. So here's the title. This is the custom teaser is what appears on a front, or when you have a carousel or on the front end of your page, the way the Science on Stage site is set up, so that this will appear just in small. So here I like to link on post. Yes, here I like to link on post. Here's the excerpt. I much prefer a small text, so we'll go here. Oh, sorry. See, I got a little excited there. Let's go back to the text that we had. Okay, here it is. Oh. So we're gonna take we're gonna use this. Okay, just something that describes your post a little. We don't do anything here. The sidebar remains of the teachers, their educators. Content padding. It's just fine like that. Here's the excerpt section. Okay, we're gonna students use synchrotron. Okay, so that's it. Revolution, we don't do anything here. So now your excerpt, we're gonna change that. We're gonna go excerpt. See, student, you have to click it so that it changes it. It'll change it automatically on the front. Synchrotron. Okay, I think I screwed up here somewhere. Synchrotron. I made a mistake. Sorry. Synchrotron. Never used one, so I didn't know how it was spelled. Okay, so here we go. Synchrotron. There we go. Featured image. This is the featured image that will be in the post. Adding an image here adds it over here. So let's say, let me put it back. So see, it was removed here. So let's set the featured image. We're going to go in the media library because it's an image normally that should already be here. And so let's try that. There we go. We're going to choose it. And see, it's a good size, 72 kilobytes, that's good. So we're going to set it. There we go. So it's, see, you have it here. And it goes over here. Right. Okay, so we pretty much covered everything on this post. here. If you want it to be just a draft, if you're not ready to publish it, you can change it to a draft. Pending review, that's good too. So we're going to put published here. Okay. And now we're going to update it. I'll just wait for the little wheel to stop turning, the little gerbil. And we'll be able to view the post here. Let's see, post updated, view post. There we go. And here's how the post looks like on the front end. So here you have a nice display of the video. Oops. We have here, and we have something here that doesn't belong. See here where we made the text a little bit bigger, here to 14, and then we added, made it to 12. The text is written by Jean Patry, and we added in the other and videos categories. We have no comments as yet. We can share this via the media, social media. And I can add a comment if I wish. So there we go. I'm going to go check what's going on here. Okay, for some reason, I went back to the, we were in the backend editor, and I went back to classic mode, which is how WordPress kind of, so I'll start and see, you see the text here. It doesn't belong. I don't know why it stuck there, but we'll just remove it, and then we'll remove it from here. Sorry. And don't forget to update it. There we go. And now we can go view post once we, okay, voila. Here it is. I'm going to go remove this portion here. Actually, I'm going to remove this portion here because we already have a title here. So that'll be all. That's it for how to edit a post. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to write a comment on the support.scienceonstage.ca or email me at lisadoucettejodoin@gmail.com. Thank you.